if you work in video marketing or you do anything with video online, which most of us do these days, right? These 3 AI tools are going to change your life. Before we jump into the demo of these tools, you know what to do. Like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, now let's look at these 3 awesome AI video tools. Number 1 is Wizard.ai. What this tool does is actually really cool. It takes your long videos. So let's say you have long Zoom meetings or YouTube videos, and it converts those videos into clips. So you can use these clips on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms. You don't have to hire an editor to do this. The tool will automatically do it. And also the tool, if you notice, tool right here, tool will also add captions to your videos. Now, I've talked about similar tools in the past. There's Opus Clips, there's Dummy. What's cool about Wizard is if you look at the pricing, there's no pricing. So the tool is still in beta. As the time of recording this video, there is no pricing. Look at this, it's coming soon. By the way, they do have a pricing survey, so take that survey and let them know what's the ideal pricing range. But looks like they're gonna have a really cool or good free plan. So whenever they launch pricing, they are gonna have a free plan. But for now, you can use it for free. All right, let me log into my account and then I'll show you how to use this tool. So here is the inside, here's the dashboard, really simple home. You can see different demo videos and some of the projects that you've created. And projects basically is when you convert long videos into shorts, that's one project. There's demo project and other, the one that I have created. Now, the way you create these is you're gonna click on create project, and then you have multiple options. You can import your videos from your Zoom, so maybe your meetings, maybe your interviews, maybe your podcast. You can upload from YouTube. This is the one I use the most, or upload local files. So for example, if you wanted to upload from YouTube, and here's the cool thing, you don't have to download from YouTube and then upload. You can just put a link, look, paste YouTube link, and then it will continue, and in a few seconds it will generate the clip. So let me go back and show you, because I've already done this. If I go to the projects, here's one of the recent projects I created. When you click here, here are different clips that it created. I can click on view all. Here's all the clips it created, and then I can edit these clips, rename these clips, delete if I don't want this, and then also let's say if I want to download this clip or export, I can click here. And then I can change layouts, I can do editing, and then eventually I can export. But there is also, if you want to add some text to it, you can do it. Subtitles, you want to make any changes, background, you want to add your logo, so you can do some editing to the clips that the tool makes. Now let me go back and show you something. So let's say if you don't like any of the clips that this tool made, that can happen, right? So what you can do is go click here on the edit of the original video, and then you can also manually, so here these are the clips that I created already, but you can also, let's say I like this part of the video, I can select that part of my long video, and then I can say create clip. So number 1, tool can create clips for you. Number 2, you can also just select and then the caption or the text of your video and create clips. And then also other things, you can add media, images, text, subtitles, backgrounds, and logo, all kinds of stuff to it. And then once you're happy, just click on export, and it will export those clips for you. And also you can change the layouts right here. Here you go. There are multiple options, themes. This is awesome. Wow. And like I said before, there are other tools who do the same thing, but what I like about Wizard for now, it's free. So don't waste any time. Go play with it, sign up, and convert your long videos into viral clips. All right, tool number 2. It's called SavvyCut, the fastest way to cut your videos. So what this means is, what this does is it automatically removes silence and pauses from your video, and it's right here. So you know when we record videos, actually here too, when we record videos, sometimes there are gaps or pauses or silence, and it takes forever. If you're trying to do this manually using tools, you have to select those pauses and then cut them, but this tool will automatically do it for you. So, and then you can actually use it without signing in too. So for example, let me go back here. I'm gonna click on start free. Actually, I don't wanna, I do have an account, but I wanna show you how you're able to use this without actually logging into your account. Here you go. This is what I was looking for. So you can drag and drop your file here. I'm gonna click here, and then let's select a video. So here's a long video that I've made for YouTube. And by the way, I've used this tool on this video before, so it might not detect a lot of pauses. But here's a couple of options. You can have speech detection, AI, or basic cut method. You can also cut below certain noise level, so you can kind of make this tool more sensitive to the pauses or less sensitive. But then see how fast this is. This video was about 10 minutes and we're done. And the first time I did it, it found about 10 jump cuts. Now it found like another 5. Here you go. So 5 jump cuts and then 4.61 seconds of silence will be removed. So a lot of people spend hours doing editing for something like this, or maybe they hire people from Fiverr or other platforms. You don't have to do that anymore. By the way, you can also export this video from here, and before exporting, just click on preview, and now you can watch your video. And then obviously do create an account, because this plan, the tool has its freemium, so there's a lot that you can do with the free plan. You don't have to pay, but then if you do want to upgrade, there are some options for you. So here you go. The basic is free, but if you, oh wow, it's very inexpensive. So if you want unlimited video length, everything unlimited, you can consider signing up too. But remove silence using AI without paying anyone. All right, tool number 3, and this is actually my favorite tool these days, because there's so many AI tools launching every single day. I think my favorite tool changes every few days, but this is my favorite as of today. So the tool is called RunwayML. What this tool does is actually amazing. You can create videos, so you can generate videos from text, from videos. One of the new feature is you can upload an image, and this tool will generate video from that image. There's other tools too. You can generate images, you can remove background, slow-mo, make image movies, remove any background from your videos. So there's a bunch of different things you can do. But what I want to show you today is, actually here's an announcement. Image to video is now available. So let me sign into my account, and then I'll show you how you can do it. So for example, and once you log in, here's the dashboard. The tool that you want to use, there are multiple tools inside AI Magic Tools, is this right here, Gen 2, and then text/image to video. So when you click here, you have 2 options. You can enter a text prompt and it will generate a video, or you can use the image. So for example, let's say I have this image, so I'm going to bring this image. I have this awesome AI generated image right here, right? Colorful image. So I want to convert this image into a video. So what I'm going to do is, let's drag and drop, and then you can write a prompt if you want, add any details, whatever you want to do, or you don't have to do it. So what I'm going to do is just leave it blank, and then click on generate right here, and then once you do it, it takes few seconds, and then it will generate the video for you. So, and when it's done, let me show you. Look at this video. Oh my god, let me resize this so you can see it properly. Simply amazing. Look at this. And yes, you can watch this in full screen, and also you can save this, download this to your computer, and then use it in your social media, maybe Instagram, other platforms, or in your other video projects. So from simple images, you can generate videos using RunwayML.com AI tool. If you have any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this. And now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.